Yes, 2021 is here, and in this video, I want to show you how you can start the year on the right foot. After the holiday season, we all crave some new resolution, and I think that as an artist, there is no better resolution than building a strong art habit. This is why I decided to create the 30-day art habit challenge. This is your chance to learn a bunch and win cool prizes, as I'll be giving 10 entries to the Digital Painting Academy. During the month of January, I'll be giving you new prompts on a daily, weekly basis for you to paint and gain momentum in your learnings. And I'll be also hosting workshops on a weekly basis to teach you tips and tricks about lighting, coloring, anatomy, and much more. And the cool thing is that if you follow the prompts that I'm going to give you during the month of January, you'll finish the challenge with an awesome original character that you will paint from scratch. The challenge will start this Monday, 4th of January, and I'll place all the details of the challenge inside the Paintable Discord server. If you're not a member yet, don't worry, I'll place the link in the description of this video, as well as a link of the newsletter list of Paintable to make sure that you don't miss the live workshop and Q&A session that will come with this challenge. So I hope you are as excited as me to start the year on the right foot. If you want to participate, I'll put all the links that you need in the description of this video. You can go check the rules and prizes for this challenge, and for the rest, Happy New Year, guys. I'm looking forward to see you in the challenge, and happy painting.